every situation, it seems, especially in the Bible, that when it seems like things are very impossible, it seems like your back is up against the wall, it does not necessarily change until you let go, until you actually activate that faith. And the number one key I've found in my life is activating faith requires you to let your hands off of the wheel, completely give Jesus the wheel. I think there's a Carrie Underwood song, but relinquish all power to the Most High, and then you're going to see a change. Like, things seem impossible, but even if you change your perspective and look at the word impossible, it says, I'm possible. There's no limits on what God can do for you, through you. And so if you find yourself in a situation and you feel like, how is this going to change? You're putting too much power, too much pressure on yourself, and you're allowing too much power to be in your hands. Let all that go. Relinquish that power to the Most High, to God, and allow your life to be transformed. It's going to change for you. And when we put ourselves in the driver's seat of our life sometimes, and we're just trying to figure things out, that's when more than likely you're going to get the same result. All right? And I'm sharing this because life be life, and sometimes it's not always so easy. But what I have learned is that the moment that you put that faith in God and then begin doing other things, like faith without works is dead. So if you have a goal, if you have a vision, if there's something that you want to see change in your life, instead of focusing so much on the end result, okay, and trying to fill in the details yourself, put that faith and trust in God and be intentional. Focus on the things that you can do. It doesn't matter who can, it doesn't matter what anybody's perspective is about it. Okay? More often than not, most people have their own battles they're going through. So they may not even see whatever it is that you're trying to bring into fruition for you, because they don't really see it for themselves. So instead of having faith in man, faith in yourself, have faith, ultimate faith in God, and your situation will change.